If you are a numerology number 3, this video is for you. First, what is the difference between tarot, numerology, and astrology? Numerology, tarot, and astrology are all ancient practices that have been used for centuries to help guide people. Though they may seem similar at first glance, there are actually quite a few differences between these three disciplines. Numerology is the study of numbers and their meanings. This practice can be used to help understand oneself, others, and the world around them. Tarot is a form of divination that uses a deck of cards to interpret the past, present, and future. Astrology is the study of the movements and positions of celestial bodies in order to gain insight into personal, political, and economic trends. So, what exactly are the differences between numerology, tarot, and astrology? Numerology is more focused on understanding numbers and their meanings, while tarot is concerned with predicting the future. Numerology number 3. What does the number 3 mean in numerology? In numerology, the number 3 is very significant. 3 represents hope, strength, and courage. People with this number are often very optimistic and have a lot of energy. They are also very creative and expressive. The number 3 is associated with life and growth. Number 3s are also full of energy, often creative energy. Compatibility with numerology number 3. Number 3 in numerology is the number of Jupiter and is associated with self-expression. It is a very optimistic number, and those who prefer it tend to be very positive people. They are also very social and enjoy being around others. Number 3 is a very fortunate number, so if you're looking for some good luck, this is the number for you. It's also a great number for self-expression and creativity. If you're someone who loves to be around others and enjoys being social, then numerology number 3 is definitely the right choice for you. Number 3 has been called the number of the Trinity. It is also considered a sacred number. But not everyone should have this number as their life path number. Here are 3 reasons why you might want to avoid having the numerology number 3 as your life path number. Number 3 is known as the number of communication. If you're someone who struggles with communication, this may not be the right life path number for you. Number 3 people are also associated with creative arts. If you're not particularly creative, you may find that this isn't the right life path for you either. Lastly, the numerology number 3 can represent chaos and disharmony. If you're someone who prefers peace and tranquility, this may not be the best life path number for you. How do I calculate my life path number? Calculating your life path number is easy and only requires a simple addition of all the digits from your birthday numbers. The resulting number is then reduced to a single digit between 1 to 9. This number represents who you are at your core and can give you guidance on your life's purpose. To get started, simply add up all the digits in your birth date. For example, if you were born on October 12, 1990, you would add up 10, 1 plus 0, 12, 1 plus 2, and 1990, 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0. This equals 22. You would then reduce this to a single digit by adding 2 plus 2 to get 4. Therefore, your life path number is 4. You can also get help from a numerology chart. Who is life path number 3? There are many celebrities with 3 life path number, but some of the most notable ones include Jennifer Lopez, Will Smith, and Taylor Swift. Jennifer Lopez is a brilliant actress, singer, and dancer who has achieved massive success in all 3 fields. She is one of the most famous celebrities in the world, and her life path number 3 reflects her outgoing personality and need for creative expression. Will Smith is another hugely successful celebrity with destiny number 3. He is best known for his acting roles in films like Men in Black and Independence Day, but he has also produced and starred in his own successful TV show, The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Like Jennifer Lopez, Will Smith's life path number 3 reflects his outgoing personality and need for creative self-expression. Taylor Swift is a hugely successful singer-songwriter who has won multiple Grammy Awards. What life path number 3 means? Personality traits of numerology number 3. Number 3s are creative, expressive, and charming. You're also highly sensitive and take things very personally. You're a natural-born leader, but you can also be bossy and opinionated. You like to be in charge and hate feeling like you're not in control. You're always on the go and love adventure. You're optimistic and have a great sense of humor. You're also very generous and giving. However, you can sometimes be self-centered and impatient. You have a lot of energy and are always up for anything. You're spontaneous and love to live in the moment. You hate routine and get bored easily. Careers for life path number 3. If you are a numerology 3, congratulations. You are on the path to a successful and fulfilling career. Here are some of the best careers for life path number 3. Teacher. Teachers have a unique ability to touch lives and make a difference in the world. If you have a passion for education, then this is the perfect career for you. Social worker. Social workers help people in need and fight for social justice. If you are passionate about helping others, then this is the perfect career for you. Counselor. Counselors help people deal with their problems and find solutions to their challenges. If you enjoy helping others, then this is the perfect career for you.